Now you see the sister train now coming. Yep, now you see the sister train coming. Now here comes the sister train. Train crossing warning signals are activated. It's an autorack train. Here she comes. From Trains Galore 400, here she is. 3106. Gonna be knocking down the signal soon. All right, we got ourselves a DPU. All right, coming out. Got ourselves a metal locomotive. DPU, all right. Woo-ha! That's cool, man. I love that. That's cool. All right, UPS freight. Look there. All right, look. Yeah, this has got to be a 3-mile long one. This has got to be a real long train. There, Walmart. Haha, look at there. That's where this train's got to be, a 3-mile long one. Yeah, buddy. The train seems to go on and on forever. Central Logistics. Packer Stacker train. And a lot of bare tables. Yeah, look at all those bare tables. Bare tables seem like to go on forever. A lot of bare tables. A lot of bare tables there. Got a lot of bare tables up on that one. And it's a Packer Stacker train. There was a cargo ship container train and an autorack train. Beautiful. Going to Birmingham, Alabama. From Trains Galore 400. Only on YouTube. Signing out. Oh yeah.